Okay, here we are at Rocks Hotel. And Rocks Hotel overlooks this water right here. So we're kind of a little bit far from it because I want to focus on this water part. And we'll tell you all about Rocks Hotel and this Fisherman's Wharf location in a minute.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
go check out the room.
Chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's Rocks. I just did a separate video called Africana Bar, the old Africana Bar that's no longer in business anymore. But this is right next to Rocks, and then this is all Fisherman's Wharf. So you have different designs down there. You have Legend Palace Hotel. You have the ferry terminals. This goes to Hong Kong and Macau. Sorry, we are in Macau. Hong Kong to Macau, back and forth. It also goes to like China, different places in China. This bridge goes to Taipa. And there's another bridge that goes to Hong Kong. There's a ferries and bridge that both go to Hong Kong. They're both in that area. And this Rocks Hotel is going to have a Brazilian festival tomorrow night. I might have to film there if I get a chance, if it's okay to film. And there's another Brazilian flag right there too. Should be kind of cool. So yep, that's so in a minute we're gonna walk up that way and we'll just kind of show you what's around. This is kind of cool. There's a couple chairs that are right here. They're drawing me right to that. I want to see what they can see if they're sitting in these chairs. I think they're gonna have chairs all the way out here because there's a big green thing right there. And then tomorrow they're gonna set up a Brazilian festival. And I guess this is location, this one in Rio. Let's see what we can see there. Down there is, that's all Taipa. All those buildings, that's part of Macau. Science Center. That big dome thing that you can see that overlooks. And then here's the Rocks. This is a hotel that's pretty nice. And that's all Fisherman's Wharf, so that's Sands Casino. And if you see these buildings in the far distance, that's the northern part of Macau. Era Preta, I believe it's called. Okay, let's check this out. So this is the Rocks. Some kind of cool stuff out here, right? Kind of this Africa theme from that Africana Bar theme. I wonder if they took them from there and put them to use. Put them out here. Beautiful fountain. And it looks like they got a San Miguel thing. That might be getting set up for the Brazilian festival. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it looks like they're getting all set up. So those are speakers. This beautiful view here. Wow, look at that. So you got these beautiful balconies right there as well. More chairs. So yeah, this is called the Rocks Hotel. So we're gonna walk around the front and then we'll show you what that looks like as well. There's some nice gardens here and there. Driftwood. Okay, so here's the front part. And right next to it is called the Babylon. It's a Babylon Casino, I believe. So there's the Rocks Hotel. Looking pretty cool. You just see, I think I hear a helicopter here. Where is it at? There it is, there's a helicopter right there. So that helicopter takes people to Hong Kong. And the planes are grounded for the most part. But I guess they're moving people back and forth between Hong Kong and Macau. I wonder if they have to do quarantines or if those are kind of special status people who might not have to. This is a nice building. This has been here for a while. A lot of the other stuff kind of has more facade kind of thing. But Fisherman's Wharf is, this has more of a facade. There's a D2 bar, there's Africana, and here's the rocks. Let's just walk down and catch it from the corner, and then we're gonna end this video from that location. There you go.